Good morning, students. Yesterday we solved some question based on operations or real functions. Okay. Today we also solve some questions based on operations on real functions. Okay. Let's see the question. Your question is, let f and g be two real functions be two real functions be two real functions defined by okay, f of x is equal to what? 1 upon x plus 4 and gx is equal to x plus 4 whole cube. Okay. Find the following. Find the following. Okay. First one, sum of this function in f plus g. Okay. Second, their difference f minus g. Third, their product, that is f into g. Fourth one, that is f upon g. Fifth one, that is 2 by 2f. Okay. Sixth one, that is 1 upon f. That is seventh one, 1 upon g. Okay. Let's see once more time the question. Let f and g be two real functions defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon x plus 4 and gx is equal to x plus 4 whole cube. Find the following. That is f plus g, f minus g, f g, f by g, 2f, 1 by f and 1 by g. Okay, let's see its solution. Let's solve it. We have the functions. We have f of x is equal to what? 1 upon x plus 4 and another function gx is equal to x plus 4 का whole cube. Okay. Now first of all we find their domain. Okay. Now let's see, take f of x. It is clear that the function f of x is defined not defined at x is equal to minus 4, because of if we put x is equal to minus 4, then this is tends to infinite, that is not defined. So the domain of the given function, the function f of f, thus the domain of function f is what? All real value minus 4. ठीक है. Okay. Now we observe now gf is defined for all x belong real number. Okay. Now the function gx is equal to, now the function gx is equal to x plus 4 whole cube. X plus 4 whole cube is defined for all x belong real number. All x belong real number. Okay. So domain of that function is all real value. Okay, yes. So the function gx is equal to x plus 4 whole cube is defined for all x belong real number, na? Defined at all x belong real number. So domain of g is equal to r real value. So it is clear that here domain of function f, that is g1, is what? R minus 4, and domain d2 is equal to what? R real value. Now their common domain d1 intersection d2 is equal to what I get? Let's see. Intersection R is equal to what? Is equal to what? Their common domain, that is R real value minus 4. Okay, yes. So all the function is defined from the domain R real value minus 4. Okay, now first point we solve it. We take first point, that is we find f plus g, na? Yes. Now take first point, that is we have to find f plus g. Okay, now we have to find f plus g. Okay, let's see. That is f plus g such that r real value minus 4 tends to r is given by f plus g such that r real value minus 4 tends to r is given by what? Let's see. F plus g of x is equal to what I get? F of x plus g of x. Okay, and the value of f of x is 1 upon x plus 4, na? 1 upon x plus 4, and the value of gx is x plus 4 whole cube. Now put x plus 4 whole cube. Now here take LCM. X plus 4, that is 1 plus x plus 4 ka whole cube, na? Sorry, that is 4. Now the value of this is x plus 4 plus 1 upon, this is one answer. Okay, now we take second question, that is f minus g. Okay, na? And f minus g also defined in their common domain, na? Yes. So f minus g such that r real value minus 4 tends to r. R real value minus 4 tends to r is defined as what? F minus g into x is equal to minus g of x. Okay, f of x minus g of x, that is f of x is what? 1 upon x plus 4, 1 upon minus gx is what? X plus 4 whole cube. So we have what? 1 minus x plus 4 ka power 4 upon x plus 4. This is our answer. Now we take third point, f into g. Okay, and also f into g such that their common domain is defined also r minus, that is minus 4 tends to r. Okay, is given by what? Let's see. F of g of x is equal to f of x is equal to what? Into the value of gx is equal to what? Whole cube, na? So one is cancelled to each other. So we have whole square. This is answer. Solve third part. Now we take fourth part. We have to find what? F upon g. We have to find f by g, na? Yes. Now let's see. F upon g. Here gx is equal to 0. Suppose that is gx is equal to 0 at which point? -4, na? Let's see. Gx is equal to 0, na? That is which point? X plus 4 whole cube is equal to 0. That is x is equal to -4. So since domain of f by g is what? Domain of f intersection domain of g minus x such that gx is equal to what? 0. So their common domain is r real value minus 4. Okay. Thus thus f by g such that r real value minus 4 tends to r is given by what? F by g of x is equal to f of x upon gx. So the value of f of x is what? The value of 1 upon x plus 4 upon the value of this is x plus 4 whole cube. So the required value is x plus 4 ka power 4, and this is your another answer. Okay. Now we take fifth part. Now we take fifth part, that is what? We have to find 2f, na? Let's see. 2f such that r real value minus 4, r real value minus 4 tends to r is given by what? Let's see. 2f of x, that is we have to write 2 times f of x, that is 2 times 1 upon x plus 4, that is 2 upon x plus 4. Okay, for all x belong r real number minus 4. This is fifth part. Now we take last part, sixth part. Okay, 1 upon f of x, and you know that we observe that fx not equal to 0 for any x belong r minus 4, na? Therefore 1 upon f such that r real value minus 4 tends to r, okay, is given by what? 1 by f of x is equal to what? 1 upon f of x. So we have 1 upon x plus 4. So after transfer it, we have x plus 4. This is an answer. Okay. So dear students, we solve all questions of this, all points of these questions. Okay. So dear students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, based on these topics in this way. Okay. Yes. Now we take some other questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Let's take the question. Let's see. Let f g be two real functions defined by f of x is equal to under root x plus 1 and gx is equal to under root 9 minus x square. x square. Okay, then describe each of the following function. Then describe each of the following functions. And your functions are f plus g, second one f minus g, third one f into g, and fourth one f by g. Okay, now let's solve it. Given function f of x is equal to under x plus 1 and gx is equal to what? Under x. First of all, we find the domain of each of the given functions. Okay, yes. Now let's take, since f of x is real for all the values of x satisfying what? X plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. For all the values of x, the function f of x is real and defined. So here we find that x is greater than or equal to minus 1, that is, or we can write equal to that. So here we write x belong what, minus 1 to infinity. Okay, that is the domain of function f. The domain of function f is given by what, minus 1 to infinity. Okay, thus that is d1 is equal to what, minus 1 to infinity. Similarly, we find the domain of the function gx. Okay, let's see on the next page. Since gx is equal to what, under root 9 minus x square. Okay, under root 9 minus x square. So since gx is defined and real for is greater than or equal to 0, that is minus is common, then what I get, 0, that is x plus 3 into x minus 3 less equal to 0. So we have x belong minus 3 to 3, that is domain of function g. Another function is equal to minus 3 to 3, that is d1 is equal to dt is equal to what, minus 3 to 3. Now their common domain, that is domain of f intersection domain of g, that is d1 intersection d2. So d1 is what, let's see here, d1 is minus 1 to infinity, d1 is minus 1 to infinity, intersection d2 is minus 3 to 3. So their common domain minus 1 to 3. Okay, now we take first point, that is we find f plus g na, f plus g. So f plus g such that minus 1 to 3 to are defined by so f of g, f plus g such that minus 1 to 3 tends to r is defined by f plus g of x is equal to gx. Okay, the value of f of x is what, under root x plus 1. Okay, right, and the value of gx is what, under root 9 minus x square. Okay, yes. Now we take second question, we find f minus g na, f minus g such that same interval domain, their common domain, minus 1 to 3 tends to r defined by what, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus gx. The value f of x is what? Minus that is, and the value of that. Okay, now third point, fg, product of this function such that minus 1 2 3 tends to r defined by f of x into gx. So we have what? Into under root 9 minus x square. That is one another answer. This is one answer. This is another answer. Third. Okay. Now we solve last point. Now we solve last point, that is what? F by g. Okay. Now f by g such that minus 1 to 3 tends to r defined by let's f of g of x is equal to f of x upon gx. Okay, f of x upon gx now. So we have the value f of x is what? Under root x plus 1, and this the value of that is 9 minus x square. So we have under root x plus 1 upon 9 minus x square. This is one another answer. Thus, dear students, we solve all the questions. We solve that type of question in this way. Okay. So dear students, first of all, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these concepts. Okay. Yes, first of all you solve that type of questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now the chapter function is to be just completed. Okay, we solve some remaining questions of NCERT in next class. Let's see the questions. First of all, you find in that type of question, first of all you find the domain of each of the given function. Okay, in the previous method जैसे कि आप लोग फाइंड करते हैं, then from function first we find the domain that is d1, and by the another function we find the domain that is d2. In this way, all the operations on real function is to be done in their common domain, right? So you find, first of all you find the individual domain and to find their common domain, and all the functions, all the operations on real function is obtained on in their common domain, that is closed interval minus 1 to 3, in that way. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these results. Thank you.